Snacks business is one of the fastest moving business that you can ever do in Nigeria and will give you daily money. Have you been looking for businesses that you can start? Stick with me to the end of this video because I'll be sharing with you businesses that you can start with 5 to 10,000 naira and will bring you daily sales. If this is what you're interested in, stick to the end of this video. My name is Esther Masanami and you're welcome to Good News Catering and Events. Now you may be asking yourself, is it even possible to start a business with 5,000 naira in Nigeria these days? Of course it is. Yes, I know that things are very expensive, ingredients have gone up, prices of goods have gone so high. But in spite of that, you can still start these businesses that I will be sharing with you and make money every day. Number 1, puff puff. Puff puff is a Nigerian snack that is loved by everybody, both young and old love puff puff. And with little money and ingredients, you can make your Nigerian puff puff. All you need is your flour, your sugar, your yeast, and your vegetable oil. And with as low as 5,000 naira, you can start a puff puff business. Fish roll is another snack that you can start and make lots of money from it. It is deep fried in very hot oil, and the ingredients you need are basically your flour, your butter, your baking powder, your fish, and your vegetable oil. And you can start it from the comfort of your home. If you stay in a busy environment or where you have school children, you can always start it and make lots of money. The next on my list is potato chips, and potato chip is very easy to make with your sweet potato, your salt, vegetable oil, and your packaging nylon. 5,000 to 10,000 naira is enough to start up this business. Potato chips is loved by everybody and it is a business that you can scale up and make a lot of money. The next on my list is popcorn. Popcorn is loved by both children and adults, and of course Netflix, chilling, and popcorn are 5 and 6. Okay, and with as low as 5 to 10,000 naira, you can start a popcorn business. You need your popping corn, you need your vegetable oil, and some sugar, and you can start this business right from the comfort of your home. You do not need any heavy equipment. With what you have in your kitchen, you can start. If you've watched this video to this point, please kindly subscribe and like this video. When you like the video, YouTube will show it to more people, and it will also encourage me to create amazing content that will make you money just like this. Thank you so much for subscribing. The next is buns. All you need to make your buns is your flour, your sugar, your baking powder, your salt, and your nutmeg. And you're wondering, with 5,000 naira, is it possible? Yes, you can start this business, and as you start and you start making money, you can scale up, you can increase your ingredients, you can start buying in a larger quantity. But then if you're just starting and you're thinking, okay, I have this 5,000 naira and I don't know what business to do, if you are not shy, not saying, oh, what are people going to say, can I do this business? You just believe that you can do it. Yes, you're going to make a lot of money. I'll leave a link in the description box. I shared a video where I taught how to make buns, and that recipe you can use it for commercial business. The next on my list is egg roll. Egg roll is another amazing business that you can start and make lots of profit. Okay, so if you know you want me to make video on any of these that I have spoken about, kindly drop a comment for me in the comment section. Okay.